everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. We got Damon in the background. Damon?
Hi guys. Remember me from some of the videos?
Yep. And we got
the driver.
this time.
Whatever.
I'm always the driver normally. And then because we in his truck, I gotta hold the camera, so I'm sorry about all the shaking and everything. And yeah, I don't have the correct equipment to to make sure everybody's in the frame and mounted up right. So because when I put it over there, you ain't in it. So we on our way to do a little grocery shopping. Let me get this right. Oh shoot. We on our way to do a little grocery shopping. Of course, going to Sam's or either Costco and grab a couple of items real quick. Yeah, so I guess we'll get back when we get over there because I'm shaking the camera too much. So yeah, we're gonna do a little shopping. All right. Costco's every weekend. Damn.
Yeah, my jacket's so comfortable. I accidentally slept in the car. Even my friends
I want this, y'all. I want this little thing. But look at the price. You want this, Damon?
Yes. Yes,
I do too.
but it's so expensive. I know.
I want the whole setup. What about you?
I want.
On to the next one.
Okay. 64.54.
We get ready to try this, what's it called? This chicken street tacos that we bought from Costco. We'll see what it tastes like. We made rice, and I just added a little bit of this lime stuff in it while it was boiling. I already heat up the chicken, and as you see, everything comes with it. Damon made the ground beef, and he just added some of this taco seasoning along with the seasoning, along with these seasonings. Okay, let's get it going. Okay, we finna taste this.
trespassing in the city and on this planet.
Salsa and cilantro lime. Oh, this is
Coleslaw.
not coleslaw.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Lettuce. And carrots.
Yeah, but coleslaw has a sauce. Hopefully this is good. The cilantro stuff.
I want to taste it first.
Gotta get that stone out your mouth. Stays with me.
Okay, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see that. A little meat, a little cabbage, a little bit of the cilantro sauce, and a little bit of cheese, chicken, a little bit of rice. Want me to wait on you? Why not? I want us to try it together.
We all trying it together.
I mean, like at the same
It don't
time.
have to be a simultaneous.
I want it to be. Ready? Cheers. Use this one. Let's see what this tastes. Use this one, the one that come with it. Ooh, that's kind of spicy. It's a little spicy. Ready?
Use your space.
That's good. That's really good. You like it? I need more of this cilantro. This is real good. The cilantro sauce.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What it tastes like?
It's
Cucumber?
like a.
Tastes like cucumber to me.
It's like sour cream and something. Cilantro, I guess.
I can do it without that sauce.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta talk loud.
What?
You have to talk up.
I can do it without that sauce.
I heard that.
Already warmed up.
Let me try some of Damon. I don't even usually eat the ground beef.
That's spicy too. What's that spicy?
That's this. Can't be nothing else. You got chicken? What you think about the cabbage with the tacos?
That's different.
You like it? You would do that again instead of rice? I mean, instead of regular lettuce?
No, because it's too hard.
Really? I like it. Do I want to try that? I'm gonna try with that regular salsa. I ain't got no other spoon. This salsa kind of hot. This is a spicy salsa. God, no. Okay, here we go. Good Lord.
How's that?
Pretty good. I like that cabbage.
Why?
I like that crunch, that texture.
I ain't used to that on a taco. You know? I know.
I like it.
You got bean sprouts in it too.
No, that's probably cabbage. It's just shredded like. I like it, but I don't like that spicy salsa.
Why?
It's too hot.
It's hot. Let me try it.
Then I'm drinking
hamburger pretty good. What you saying that? Because I made it?
It's good.
When I said, why you look at me like it ain't that good?
Because you kept on saying, well, I ain't enough seasoning and it don't taste like nothing.
My taste buds off.
I would most definitely buy this kit again. Would you?
Yeah, if we need it in a hurry.
Yeah.
I mean,
That was a lot of meat, though. You're crazy.
yeah, it's a lot of meat.
Yeah.
But it ain't $15 worth of meat.
Chicken breast is expensive anyway.
How many chicken breasts you think there is? 2?
I don't know.
I think it's about 2.
Then you gotta think them.
$3.
2 pieces of chicken breast is probably $8.
No. You can get 4 whole breasts for about $8. The pack we get, how about what?
We getting it from Sam's also.
Okay.
You gotta think when you go to, did I spit on you?
No.
You gotta think when you go to a store. I like these warm. These taste better warm. You gotta think when you go to a grocery store and you buy this chicken, you're gonna pay probably $8 for 2 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'll say 5, maybe 6.
Okay. Tortillas, $3. Now you're at 8 or 9.
Cabbage,
$1.99 a bag,
shredded cheese,
about $3.
and probably about $15.
Yeah.
Even though you
You
get
have more
more, you have more cabbage, and you most definitely have more cheese.
More of these too.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and finish this food. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.